Hi art friends, this is Emma here. Fall has started and it's a perfect time to drink a boba tea. Today I'm going to draw a Labubu drinking a boba drink. Let's get started. Let's start by drawing Labubu's eyes. So in the center of the page, I am going to draw a soft curve that comes down and goes back up. Drag this point across and draw a similar curve on the right side. Then let's draw the eyes. So I'm gonna draw a curved line that comes down and bring it back up. We're going to do the same for the other eye. Curved line that comes down and connect back to the curve. Now within each eye, I am going to draw a curved line that curls up like this and connect back to the other side. And let's do the same for the other eye. Now let's draw a circle. This is the area that we're saving for the highlight. We're gonna leave that blank and fill in the rest of the eye. There. Now let's draw the nose. In between the two eyes, a curved line that comes down, and let's bring them together. So it's like an upside down triangle. And let's draw the big smile. So I'm gonna draw this point right around the middle of the eye, comes out slightly like that. And draw this point across and give myself another point on the other side. Now let's connect the 2 points with a big smile. So I'm gonna draw a curved line down that's close to the eye and make sure that it reaches the lowest point towards the center, like that. So this is the lowest point, and then from there, let's bring this line back up to connect with this point right there. So there we have the big smile, and let's draw the teeth. So in the center, let's draw 2 upside down triangles. And we're gonna have 4 teeth on the right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now on the left hand side, we're going to have 3 teeth. 1, 2, and 3. There. Now let's frame the face. So I'm gonna start with the top, and I am going to draw some wavy lines show the fur. So just like that, and then I'm gonna draw this wavy line all the way to the side. Same on the other side. Just gonna do that curved line that goes towards the sides. And then on the side, let's draw a slanted line, slightly outward. And then we're gonna bring this line back towards the center. We're not going to connect at the bottom yet because I'm saving a space for the straw. Right, so we leave that space for drawing the straw later. But for now, let's add the outer side of the head. So again, I'm going to draw some hair. And we're going to bring this line down towards the side. And you can see that it's thicker at the top and thinner on the sides. And from here, let's just draw a curved line that brings the line towards the center, and do the same for the other side. Okay, so now let's draw the ears. So let's start with the left ear. So I'm gonna start with a point around the center, slightly towards the left. Bring a curved line that goes up. And comes back down. And let's do the same for the right ear. So it's gonna come out from here. There. And now let's trace the outside edge to add another layer. And lastly, add the third layer inside, like this. Now let's draw the straw. So I'm gonna put the straw right in between the center two teeth, two straight lines that comes down. And then we're going to use a curved line to connect the bottom. Then let's draw from this point a curved line. So this is the top of the cup. And same on the other side. And then we can connect the bottom of the face now. And then I'm going to draw two short lines, not all the way to the bottom yet, just two short ones. From here, now let's draw the arms. So from here, I am going to draw a curved line that comes out and bring it back. And from here, let's draw a line to connect from here to here. So that's the other side of the arm. And then now let's draw the fingers. I'm gonna draw 3 fingers holding the cup. There, really simple. And let's do the other side. So draw this point across right around here to make sure that it looks symmetrical. And same on the other side, slanted line that comes towards the center. Now from here, let's draw this point across. Connect these 2 points together and draw the fingers. There. So this cute Labubu is holding that boba drink and he's drinking it. So then let's draw these 2 lines across under the arm, under the hands, and bring this line down. And use a soft curved line to connect the bottom. Now let's draw the feet. So let's start around here. So this Labubu is sitting, and we're going to draw 2 slanted lines that comes down this way, right? And then from here, I am going to draw a curved line like that. So that's the feet, and 3 toes like a tulip shape. And connect. Now let's draw the other side. So I am going to draw this point across from here and then connect these 2 points together. So that is the other feet. And then I'm just gonna draw this point across as well. So somewhere around here maybe. Bring this line back. And let's draw the toes. 1, 2, and 3. Connect. Alright, so now let's draw a curve that comes out from here towards the center. And connect to the other feet. So this is the Labubu that is sitting and drinking the boba drink. Now let's add some bobas. I'm just gonna draw some different size circles. And that is how to draw Labubu holding a boba drink. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give my video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.